Good morning, students of class 4th. Ajit sir here. Today we will read SST chapter 5, The Great Indian Desert. Now listen it properly. The Great Indian Desert lies to the west of northern plains. It is also known as Thar Desert. It is about 800 kilometers long and 500 kilometers wide. It covers major part of Rajasthan. The land here is partly rocky and partly sandy. Now let us discuss the climate in the desert. The climate in desert is extreme. The days are hot and dry in summer. As the sun sets, it becomes cooler. In winter, the days are pleasant but the night becomes very cold. Vegetation. There is very little rainfall in the desert. Not many plants grow in the region because of the sandy soil and lack of water. Landforms. The desert has many small hills of sand called sand dunes. There are some places in the desert where underground water comes up to the surface in the form of springs. Date palms, kicker and bubble trees, and grasses grow in these areas. Such an area in the desert with water and greenery is called an oasis. Now let us read about life in the desert region of Rajasthan. Life in the desert areas of Rajasthan is very hard due to the shortage of water and dry and sandy soil. As few crops can be grown, many people rear camels and cattle such as sheep and goat. Now population in Rajasthan. The population in the desert area is small. Some people keep on moving from one place to another in search of food for themselves and pastures for their cattle. Such people are called nomads. The nomads of the Thar desert is called Banjaras. Now, the sheep of the desert. The camel is the most useful animal in the desert. It can withstand the desert heat, walk easily on the sand, and live without food and water for several days. It is therefore called the sheep of the desert. Now, let's read the dresses worn by the people of the desert region. Bright colorful clothes are common among both men and women in Rajasthan. The traditional dress of the women is ghagra choli with an odni to cover the head. The men wear dhoti kurta and a colorful turban. Now, languages and festivals in Rajasthan. Hindi and Rajasthani are the main languages spoken in Rajasthan. The main festivals celebrated in Rajasthan are Holi, Diwali, Eid, Dasera, and Teej. Now, tourism. Tourism is an important industry in the state. People from all over the world come to Jaisalmer in Rajasthan during the desert festival. Old forts and historical monuments in Rajasthan are a great attraction for tourists. So, dear students, I have discussed the chapter thoroughly and hope you have understood. Kindly go through the chapter. Now, I have done fill in the blanks, true, false, and multiple choice questions in book. You also do it in the book. Now, I have done question answers. Kindly write down in your SST copy. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.